Alright, what's up guys, the NWRX here. We got a review of the Hornady Zombie Z-Max 12 gauge double aught buck. Just picked this up at Flint Armament. It was $13.99. And you know what? I know it's a marketing ploy. I know they're just trying to sell ammo with this zombie, fad that's going on now. But you know what? I think this is cool. I really think that this is just a different version of probably the same thing as the Hornady Critical Defense double aught buck, except it's just got different paint added applied to it. I think this would be red if it was Critical Defense with black labels. The Zombie Max 12 gauge double aught buck. It's 2 3/4 inch 12 gauge shell. There it's the same thing, just painted green, and has this fancy packaging. I'm going to find that out today. I'm going to cut this open right here. We're going to pull the wad out and the buckshot, and we'll see what it's really made out of. And just got the Glock back there with the Smith & Wesson 3913 as a little background, just to add to the the entertainment. Alright, so like I said, it's just a normal freaking 12 gauge double aught buck, just fancied up with some zombie gear. I'm going to cut it open. So both those guns have been safety checked back here, and I'm doing this wearing safety glasses, just in case something goes wrong, but I doubt it anyway, just being careful. I can do it back here. It's a little awkward with it. Alright, here we go. Cut the top off. Here's the buckshot. Empty. Alright, we have we have 8 buckshots in there. They're lead. Alright. Gunpowder. Dispose of that. And just as I thought, I think they call this the Versa rod. Oh, Versa wad. See, it's got little wings. And they're fins that pop out. I guess that's to slow the wad down. Fins out here that pop out. Alright. That's a picture of the Versatile Versa-ite wad. And that looks exactly like it. And according to the Hornady site, this wad is what's used in the Critical Defense buckshot. So like I said, this is just a rebranded Critical Defense rounds. I don't blame them. That's cool. I'll use this as Critical Defense ammo. It's just fancy. I'll load this up in my shotgun and keep it as self-defense ammo. I'll bring it to the range and try it out, and I'll get another package. Maybe I'll put a video up of that, but I'm sure it's going to perform just like the Hornady Critical Defense. So that's actually really cool. Awesome. Like I said, I'll see if I can get a video up at the range, me trying this stuff out. Sure, it's going to perform just fine. It's like I said, a fancy box. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching, and I'll have another video up hopefully shortly. Thank you.